So, yeah, part two, y'all. Sorry about that. Trying to go where I left off. So, this what happened was I was always like in trouble, things like that. But yeah, like I said, she was going off like it was World War III, but you know, over the phone. My minutes I didn't even know I had. He went over it. It was only him calling my freaking phone. I used to get in trouble, and I'd just be in trouble, and the thing is, I was never a troublemaker. That's how I wanted to get a call. I was never a troublemaker. I was not. I remember this verbatim, my biological mother telling me out of all her children, I am the most honest. I am the most honest child. She has 3 children. So out of all 3, I'm the most honest. One that makes you think, why do the other ones have to lie? Why not be honest? What were they trying to convey? What were they in fear of? Because, what were they in fear of?